What's up, guys? Want to give a quick little update on Project Blue Collar. Took some time, went ahead and took it off the jack stands, wanted to see what it looked like laid out. Couldn't wait any longer since everything was done. Still got to run the air lines, the plumbing and all that sort of stuff, but I was impatient, couldn't wait, wanted to see the results, so here you go. So as you can see, it's definitely tuck and wheel. It's actually low enough that my jack, which is one of the Daytona low profile jacks, is firmly stuck on the cross member. So without airing it up, that jack is not coming out. Up front, it actually is sitting, pop it. So up front, it's actually sitting on the fender. So we took out the inner fender, but 22 is firmly pressed up against here on this side, as well as that side. Still probably could go down another ½ inch to maybe an inch if we clearance those, but right now we're not going to. Tyler's pretty happy with where it's sitting as far as for how low it is. We could go and adjust it later if we wanted to and cut that out. What we're going to do for right now is, I don't have the bump stops in. Going to go ahead and put the bump stop in, and hopefully that'll help keep it up just enough off of that fender. Coming out to the back. So the back is aired out. You can see he still has a decent amount of room in the C-notch. So there's still a good amount of clearance there. You could do the 2-inch drop blocks on it. We're not going to until we put the bed on, just to see how we have for clearance with the bed and all that sort of stuff. But definitely sits down low. Give you a lower cross member shot up front here. Don't mind the battery cables and everything, but as you can see, my jack is firmly on the cross member, also hitting up here on the tag. So what we'll need to do is get pressure in it once the plumbing's done, lift it up, and then we'll be able to pull out the jack. So definitely sits pretty low for a bolt-in kit. You know, pretty happy with that. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna continue working on it, get the plumbing done, fuel lines done, some wiring, put the bed back on, obviously. But that shouldn't take us too long. Got a few little things to do to tidy up front. But all in all, I think the truck came out awesome. If I add up all the time, I didn't really keep track of it, but probably about 40 hours worth of work to get everything done so far. And that's kind of a one-man crew with me, and then Tyler coming over helping when he could too. Add up all of our time, about 40 hours, which I really don't think is that bad for what the end product is so far. So if you haven't, go ahead and like the video, leave us a comment about what you think about Project Blue Collar so far, and go ahead and subscribe to continue getting updates as we work on it. Thanks for watching, guys.